today we're going to make the Chaplin drink. And that's just what it's called, right?
Yeah, it's called
Chaplin
Cocktail.
Cocktail.
A Chaplin Cocktail, it's called.
Chaplin Cocktail, okay. So, we are going to use our sloe gin liqueur. And make sure you get sloe gin and not dry gin. They taste completely different. So you want to use equal amounts of each. And since there's 3 of us, I put a little more in there. So an ounce of that. An ounce of your apricot flavored brandy, which is not found in the brandy section, evidently. 2, 3. I'm a counter.
Close enough.
On the counter. And then lime juice. And this is on the house. Sweetened lime juice. Doesn't matter if it's roses. You want to sit there and squeeze limes all day, you can too. So after I've put equal parts of all 3, the lime juice, the sloe gin, and the apricot brandy, then I shake it up in my shaker. When people are always talking about shaken and not stirred.
Yeah.
I'm not really sure what the difference is, but anyway. Let's try it out, you guys.
Shaken, not stirred.
Oh,
very right. Oh, I was not expecting
really?
that.
Yeah, it's a lot darker than I thought it would be.
I was expecting light.
I know,
Yes.
I was too. See, we're all so like surprised. Okay, we can always fill up our glasses, and then we garnish with the lime wedge, and it says lime peel, so I always squeeze it over the drink, take the rind off, discard the rind, and I like to twirl it because it looks pretty, and then you drop it in there. Bon appetit. There is a Chaplin cocktail. Now you all have to drink this. Good. Take off the rind.
It smells really limey.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that lime will be potent. And there you go. I like the curly Q. I think it's my favorite part. That in the background is what happens if you have too many Chaplin cocktails. Cheers, you guys.
Cheers.
Oh my
Good.
God.
It tastes like a melted popsicle.